Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make chicken curry with pulao. There are many varieties of pulao. I'll show you how I make my white pulao. Give it a try, it's a nice combination. Let's start cooking. Let's make chicken curry. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add cinnamon stick half an inch, 4 cardamom, 6 cloves, 1 star anise, a small piece of stone flower, 2 bay leaves. Saute it for about 30 seconds. I'm adding small onions, it's also called shallots, 250 grams. If it's not available, no worries, you can add the regular ones. Add 5 to 6 green chillies and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Shallots has lots of sulfur in it and is very good for our health, so include in your daily food whenever you can. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped tomatoes, fry for a minute. Add a handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves, a few curry leaves. Fry all this for a minute. This is 1 kg chicken. Saute on medium heat for 5 minutes until the color of chicken changes. Cover the pan and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's add the masalas. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, 3 teaspoons of chilli powder, increase or decrease according to your taste, and 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Coriander powder will thicken your chicken curry. Mix all the ingredients well. Adding 2 potatoes to the curry. Chicken and potato, it's a good combination. If you don't like potatoes, just skip it. Add 2 cups of water for the chicken and potato to cook. Add salt as per your requirement. Give it a good mix. Cook for another 10 more minutes or until the chicken is done. Make a paste for this curry. Add these ingredients, add warm water and grind into a fine paste. Add the ground coconut, cashew nut and fennel paste into the curry. I've added half cup of water to the jar in which I ground the paste. That water I'm adding now. Combine all the ingredients well. In this stage, check salt and spice. If you need more, just add according to your taste. Let's start making white pulao or brinji rice. For that, in a pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil and ghee is hot enough, add cinnamon sticks half an inch, 4 cardamom, 6 cloves, a piece of stone flower and 2 bay leaves. I'm adding 2 sliced onions and 4 green chillies. Add according to your taste. For a minute, we need the onion to be white, so 1 or 2 minutes is fine. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. Add 1 sliced tomato. Do not overcook it, it should show in the rice. So just fry it for a minute. Add a handful of each mint and coriander leaves. And mix all of this well. I'm adding curd, 1 cup, also called yogurt. Give it a good mix for a minute or 2. Add salt as per your requirement and mix well. The ratio is 1:2. I have taken 3 cups of rice, for that 6 cups of water. Before adding water, check the gravy in the pan, detect that and add water. Here I have 1 cup of gravy, so I'm gonna use 5 cups of water. I did not soak the rice, so 5 cups will be fine. Bring it to boil. Now the water is boiling. Let's add the rice. Drain out the excess water and add the rice, or else our rice will become soft and mushy. Let's mix all of this well. Cover the pan and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, just check the pulao, give it a quick mix and cover it immediately. Our white pulao is ready. It's cooked well. Switch off the flame and let it sit for 2 minutes. White pulao is done. Do try these 2 recipes. You'll definitely like this combination. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!